makamboe, mokili makamboe.
Kana kanisa kikobota mamobola pasi.
Mokili makamboe.
Tokane kobota mamozuya ngopasi.
Mokili makamboe.
The sight of a fox in the morning, the singing of the rooster in the middle of the night, birds flying in a wrong direction, could be just nature telling us something wrong is happening in these animals' habitats. Maybe there is fire in the forest, or trees are being cut down. We just need to listen. We just need to observe.
Mokili makamboe. Mokili makamboe. Mokili makamboe.
Congo, Africa.
Mokili makamboe.
In the Kivu region where I come from, music is a communal thing and it is participative. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that's it. Now I'll just add an empty bottle in this bowl. Then suddenly, Grandma will stop singing and say in my mother tongue, Swahili, kinywa ya mzee inanuka lakini haisemi uongo. This means the mouth of an elder can stink, but it never lies. Developing countries shouldn't be toxic dumping grounds for developed countries. Common sense. A country like the UK shouldn't be sending electronic waste to a country like Ghana without making sure first in Ghana there are good system for waste management. People's lives and the environment in the Democratic Republic of Congo shouldn't be sacrifices to make in order for us to have the latest technology, smartphones, green energy. People in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh shouldn't be cheap and slave labor in order for us to keep changing our clothes, shoes, handbag, and makeup. Mokili makamboe.
Mokili makamboe.
That's it.
Mokili makamboe.
Mokili makamboe ma. Mokili makamboe.
Mokili makamboe. Mokili makamboe.
Kana kanisa kikobota mamobola pasi.
Mokili makamboe.
Tokande kobota mamozuya ngopasi.
Mokili makamboe.
Kana kanisa kikobota mamobola pasi.
Mokili makamboe.
Tokande kobota mamozuya ngopasi.
Mokili makamboe. Mokili makamboe.